So previously, we managed to get the engine head out and dismantle it. And in this episode, we'll be continuing where we left off and get some liquid gold out of the pearl. Now, the little issue that we have here is, before I started to take apart the Black Pearl, I realized that there is a full tank of fuel. So what we need to do, I bought 2 of these, because the tank is around 40 liters and this is 20 liters. And we're gonna have to siphon it. Let's hope I don't drink too much of it. Okay, so let's take the pipe in. I think this is the end. Let's get to it. Shit. So I tried to siphon the fuel and nearly choked on the fuel fumes. The pipe would not reach the tank no matter how much I tried to push. Then I realized that the tank has a drain bolt where I can get all the petrol out. Yep, everyone is smart only after the fact. Anyway, now that we got all the fuel out, let's get back to the engine. So in order to take out the gearbox, first I have to take off the driveshafts. First I have to unbend the locking nut, and then I tried to take it off with an impact, but that failed. Then I tried to block the disc so it would not spin, but that didn't go well either. So then I asked my mom to give me a hand. She pressed the brake holding the disc, and at the same time I stood on the breaker bar to loosen the nut. And finally it let go. Thanks for the help, Mom. Before storing the parts, I wanted to give them a quick wash as many of them are covered in oil, dirt and other things that have built up over the years. In hindsight, I should have just washed the whole engine before this assembly, but oh well, I guess I'll do it for the next one. And that is it for today's episode. We are now very close to finally getting that precious gearbox out. So let's hope we finally get there next time. But for now, take care and I'll see you all in the next episode.